Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Spectroscope is probably one of the most fascinating scientific instruments you can get your hands on, allowing you to explore the hidden world of light and its interaction with matter. In this video, we will delve into the functionality, applications, and selection criteria for spectroscopes, helping you choose the perfect one to satisfy your scientific curiosity, whether you're a seasoned researcher or a curious amateur. Number 5. EISCO Premium Spectroscope. This is a high-quality instrument for precise light analysis. It's perfect for various scientific applications, from measuring wavelengths to examining light sources. It holds the diffraction grating and scale securely, ensuring easy and accurate readings. You'll get clear, reliable results every time. It measures wavelengths in the visible light spectrum, from 400 to 700 nanometers. This allows for detailed examination of light sources. It offers precision measurement with an accuracy of plus or minus 5 nanometers. This ensures highly reliable and accurate data. It's incredibly versatile. Use it for charged gas tubes, flame tests, and even basic astronomy. Its applications are as diverse as the light it measures. With its precision and versatility, it's the perfect tool for anyone needing accurate and reliable light analysis. Discover the secrets of light with this premium spectroscope. What we like. It's designed for precise measurements with high accuracy and a wide range. If you need reliable data for scientific research or detailed analysis, this is the perfect tool for you. Its accuracy ensures you can trust the results for any experiments or observations you conduct. What people say. It works as expected. I really appreciate that the nanometer scale is so accurate. I tested its accuracy with a fluorescent bulb and a green laser, indirectly. See the attached images that show the respective wavelength patterns. I took the pictures by just placing my cell phone camera over the eye hole. This spectroscope is simple to use and seems durable. Shows exactly the wavelength range of the light it's pointed at. Make sure all other lights except the one you are testing are turned off to get the most accurate reading. I use this for testing lights that I use in my photography darkroom. I also used it for making custom grow lights. It works great for the price. There's a knack to using these, no doubt about that, but they work really well and allow you to see the different spectral outputs of different types of lighting, LED, fluorescent, incandescent etc., and even TV's monitors. Sunlight is an ideal reference, and there's no safety issue here observing sunlight. You'll be able to see the difference between morning and evening sunlight too. It's possible, though tricky, to take photos through it using a phone camera, for example, showing the spectra and wavelength scale. A 420 nanometers laser was clearly bang on 420 nanometers, so one end of the scale is accurately calibrated at least. Light from 660 nanometers and 635 nanometers LEDs appeared in the right places on the scale at the other end and were clearly distinct. Number 4. AUD Advanced Optics Spectroscope. It's small enough to take anywhere, perfect for on-the-go gemstone analysis. Its fixed slit and focus make it easy to use, even for beginners. This pocket-sized device is your ideal travel companion. Take it on buying trips, vacations, or to trade shows, it's always ready for use. Discover the hidden colors within gemstones. It reveals how light interacts with the stone, showing you the wavelengths that produce its unique color. It's built with aircraft-grade aluminum for durability and features the finest optics for precise analysis. You'll get accurate readings every time. When white light passes through a gemstone, some wavelengths of light are absorbed, creating the colors we see. This device helps you see those absorbed wavelengths. With its simple design and high-quality optics, it makes identifying and analyzing gemstones easier than ever before. Get yours today. What we like. Its compact and portable design makes it ideal for on-the-go use. If you're a gemologist, jewelry appraiser, or anyone who needs a spectroscope for fieldwork or travel, this is your best option. Its durability ensures it can withstand the rigors of travel and daily use. What people say. Had no trouble seeing all the ruby absorption lines upon first look. A solid metal unit that is a bargain for the price. The viewing spectrum is plenty large, and very accurate. I can easily make out the main absorption lines of the sun when looking at clouds. Fluorescent lights really show their unique spectrum well. This immediately removed any shadow of a doubt that they are genuine. Number 3. EISCO Premium Spectroscope. It's perfect for studying light sources, exploring color, or conducting detailed analyses. This tool provides the functionality you need for accurate measurements in various applications. Its design securely holds the diffraction grating and scale, ensuring clear and legible readings. Say goodbye to blurry measurements and unreliable results. It measures wavelengths from 400.0 to 700.0 nanometers, offering a comprehensive range for detailed examination. You'll be able to analyze a wide spectrum of light sources. It features a diffraction grating with 500 lines mm for optimal performance and high-resolution spectra. This ensures accurate and detailed measurements. It provides accurate measurements within +5.0 nanometers. You can trust it to deliver reliable results for confident conclusions. What we like. This model excels in its versatility and ease of use. If you are looking for a tool suitable for various applications, from studying light sources to conducting experiments, this is an excellent choice. The clear readings ensure you won't struggle to interpret your results. What people say. It worked great for a rough estimate and let me quickly see that my red LED lights were far more wide spectrum than I thought and definitely not film safe. This has 5 visible lines, 435 nanometers, the wavelength of the driving LED, 485 nanometers, cyan, 535 nanometers, green, 575 nanometers, yellow, and 600 nanometers, red. These numbers came from reading the spectroscope. When I look at my monitor screen with the spectroscope I see 3 phosphor emissions, as I should. When I look at sunlight reflected from a white paper, never look directly at the sun or at a laser with or without the spectroscope, there is a continuous spectrum. Number 2. 3B Scientific U19500 Spectroscope. This high-quality spectroscope offers a precise and reliable way to analyze light sources. Its optical system ensures accurate readings, making it ideal for educational and scientific applications. It boasts a centered visible spectrum that's linear with respect to wavelength. This ensures accurate and consistent measurements every time. The fixed slit width of 0.2 mm provides consistent light dispersion, leading to sharper spectral lines and more accurate analysis. It's built with a durable metal sleeve protecting the grating, ensuring long-lasting performance in various settings. With its compact size of 25 mm in diameter and 115 mm in length, it's easy to handle and transport. It's perfect for both classroom use and field studies. Whether you're a student learning about spectroscopy or a researcher conducting advanced experiments, this instrument provides the accuracy and reliability you need. What we like. It offers a superior optical system for clear and accurate spectral analysis. If you value precision and a linear spectrum for easy interpretation, this spectroscope is a great choice. Its high-quality construction ensures long-lasting performance. What people say. This flashlight-sized larger model has generous, bright optics which produce nice crisp and detailed spectra. The smaller version is Colin Winter's original diffraction spectroscope design, now an industry standard, which has been copied by several knockoff factories with varying degrees of quality. Das Handspektrometer hat eine hohe Qualität. Im Himmelspektrum lassen sich sehr schön Fraunhofer Absorptionslinien erkennen. Brillante Farbdarstellung. Number 1. Chelsea Filter Gem ID Kit. This kit helps you identify gemstones. It's a great tool for gemologists and jewelry enthusiasts. It's used to identify almost any gemstone. See how it easily distinguishes different stones. This 10x triplet loupe provides a clear, magnified view. Examine stones in detail to see their inclusions and clarity. Analyze the light passing through a stone with this spectroscope. It helps reveal the stone's unique spectral signature. Identify about 85% of all precious gemstones. This kit is comparable to GIA's $200 retail value, but at a much better price. Everything you need for accurate gem identification is right here in one convenient kit. Start identifying gemstones like a pro. What we like. This bundle is perfect for gemstone identification. If you're a jeweler, gemologist, or collector, this kit provides a comprehensive solution for analyzing gemstones. The included loupe and Chelsea filter enhance the identification process, offering a complete solution. What people say. Shipped immediately, arrived on time, and quality was better than you would expect. The hand lens is nice. The spectroscope is also nice, but the Chelsea filter is well built. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.